everyone, welcome back to CodeWithPk. In today's video, we are building some super cool, a responsive car showcase website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. If you are waiting to create a sleek, mobile-friendly site to display cars or products in general, this is the perfect tutorial for you. We will cover everything step by step, from setting up the basic layout in HTML, styling its CSS to make it responsive, and adding interactive features with JavaScript. By the end of this video, you have a fully functional, professional looking website that perfect for car showrooms, portfolios, or even your personal projects. So, if you're excited, grab your code editor and let's get started on building this amazing car showcase site. Don't forget to hit a like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. Let's dive in, and please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to all the notification bell also never miss over any future latest videos about the big type of videos. So now, without taking any time, let's move computer screen and let's do a coding with loving it. So guys, let's start. And for building the supercar website, you must have an core text editor like Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text Editor, or many text editor like. But in today's video, I'm using the Visual Studio Code because it is much easier for me and my viewers, I hope. But if you are not satisfied by the Visual Studio Code, so you will be use a Sublime Text Editor. Okay, it is not any problem in it. Okay, but now let me tell you how to download it, the Visual Studio Code. First of all, you click on the Google Chrome and then click on write Google, and then here you write a Visual Studio Code download. And when you write it, so first option has been came like download Visual Studio Code in Macs, Linux or Windows. So if you are on Mac, download on Mac. Let me first click it. So this type of three option has been came. So it is a free and built-in open source integrated Git and debugging extensions. So if you are on Windows, download on Windows. If you are on Mac, download on Mac. Or if you are on Linux, download on Linux. I've already downloaded this Visual Studio Code, so I do not download it another time. So now what can I do? I open my Visual Studio Code, I create a new window, and then I close that file. So now when you open your Visual Studio Code, this type of interface will be coming. So what you can do, click on the file, then click on the new file, and when you click it, give your file name. Which type of file name? What type of file name? Let me tell you. Give your file name should be index.html. Enter press and make this file on your downloads. Make here one folder by the name of, let me tell you what is the name of folder. So let me tell you, let's just wait it. So now the name of folder is give the name of folder is super car website. Like this type of name you will give to your website. And when you give this type of website name, then what you can do, you will be enter press and click here and then and save your file in that folder. So your file has been made it of the index.html in that folder. So now when it has been done, so now let me tell you what you can do. Here you can go and then zoom it. So now when you zoom it from here, so now let me tell you what you can do. Here you make a one folder. Which type of folder? Let me tell you. Come here in downloads, create, and then assets. Okay, click on the file, then new file. Here give the one file name should be style.css, and then click on your downloads and click on your folder. Create here one more folder in the folder by the name of assets. And when you create this folder, assets, spelling is correct, assets. And when you click here and the folder has been made it easily as, and make your then when your folder has been made it assets, here in the assets you make a one folder by the name of CSS. In the CSS folder you make your file by the name of style.css. So that's it. So now come on the index.html file, and here let's write a code. So which type of code? Let me tell you. First of all, you write here doc type HTML, then HTML, then Here we write like a lang, so it will be en, then head element. In the head element, we define all the starting code of HTML. Just UTF minus 8 meta. Then in the meta, we write name, will be viewport, and then contents will be width width equals to device, then minus width, comma, then and here we write like NETL scale equals to 1.0. So now when we write it, so now we define here favicon. So let's define it. For that we define a link, then rel, then here we define like shortcut icon, then href image. In image we define our favicon.png, and asset spelling is incorrect. Okay, let me see. Here's our image folder. I'm copy it, and then here we paste it. What is the spelling of assets? Copy this, and then we are pasting it here. Now perfect. And now when it has been done, so now what we can do, we write type, and in the type we write like image slash x icon, and then class will be favicon. Now here we define the dynamics icons. Okay, so now let's define it. First of all, we define a link href https cdn dot js deliver dot net, then slash npm slash will be okay net, and then here we write like slash, and then slash remix icon at the rate 2.5.0 slash fonts, then slash remix icon dot css, then rel should be style sheet, enter it. So here we now define a swiper css. Okay, here we define a swiper css. Here we write a link rel style sheet href assets, then css, and then swiper slash bundle dot min dot css. Now here we define a css. What here you can do, here we first of all write link will be rel style sheet href assets css style dot css, and then link again, and then rel will be style sheet, then href assets css my custom dot css. Now we have defined a title for our output, and the title I'm giving the super car website. Then slash, and here I like code with pk. Now perfect. And now here we define a body. Okay, and what can I do here, we define here now start a header. For header, first of all we define a header, then class will be header, and then id will be also be header, then div class will be nav container, then a will be href, and then class will be nav logo. And now when we do it, so we define it 2 times. Okay, so now when we do like that, so we enter process from here, and then here we define a I, then in the I we define a class rl slash steering, okay, steering slash field. Okay, and then here we define a next car. Enter div class nav menu id should be also be nav menu. Enter then ul. In the ul you give the class should be nav list, and then li. In the li you give the class should be nav item, and then in the a you write like href. In the href home, then class nav link should be active link, and then in that here you write like home, and then copy this, then paste it, then paste it, then paste it, then unzoom it, and here remove the home and write here about, and give the some space, and here you will also remove the home and write the about. One more time remove the home and write here supercar, sorry, popular, and then also write here popular, sorry, supercars. Here you write like supercars, and then here you write like feature it, and here you also write feature it. When you do till here, so what you can do, click here, alt, and then okay, then remove it like this. Okay, so now perfect. Now when you do it, so enter press from here and write here div class should be nav close, and then id should be nav close, and then enter press, and then I shall be class rl slash close slash line, and then write here a toggler button. Write div class should be nav toggle, and then id should also be right here nav slash toggle. Enter, then I class, and here you write like r1 slash menu line, and then enter press. Now main code has become here main code. First of all we write in main class will be main, now home, and here we write like section class will be home section, then id will be home, enter div class will be shape x, then shape big. Okay, now perfect till here, so now enter press. Now div class shape x will be shape small, then div class home container grid, container grid. Now enter press, then div one more, then class will be home data, enter, then h2 class will be home, class will be home title, then here we are like pick your best car. Now when you write it like this, so what we can do here in the, here you write like in the h1, and here we h1, and now when you do it, so now in the h2 here you define like class will be home subtitle, and here you write like Ferrari 498, and then enter, then div class will be home earlier Alex, and then here we write like enter, then I class, and sorry, here we define h3 h3. Okay, now I, and in the I we define a class will be r1 ri slash flashlight slash fill. Now when we do it like that, so here we enter press, and here we write like relentless force. And now when we write it, so enter press, now we define here image, and the series of image assets will be image home 5.png alt, then class home img, and then div class will be home car, and then enter, then div class home car slash data, enter press, then div home car slash icon, and then enter press. And then I, and in the I we write like class ri slash temp slash cold slash line, and then when we do it, so enter press, here we define a h2 class will be home car slash number, here we define like 3.0 seconds, and then in the h3 we define a class will be home car slash name should be 0 slash 100 kilometer hour. Then here we define like enter, then we define a div class home car slash data, div class home car slash icon, and then enter press, and then here we define like I class ri slash dashboard will be slash 2 slash line. Now enter press, now here we write like when our work is done till here, here we home car data. Okay, here we define like h2, in the h2 we give the class home car slash number, and here we write like 419, and then h3, in the h3 you write like class home car slash name, and here we define a power kilogram. Okay, so now when our work is done till here, so home car data. Okay, copy it till here home car data, and then paste it. And what you can do here, then you write here now flashlight. When do it, you remove it, and here you write like ri flash light fill, then car icon, and here your C will be in a smaller letter. You must, it is very compulsory. And when your work is done till here, like, and then home car data. Okay, here you write like 325 kilometer per hour, and then here you write like max speed, max dot speed. Now when our work is done till here, enter press, here you define like a, then href hashtag, then class will be home button, and button will be start, and in this start button you write div class will be slider bg, then one more div class slider bg slash nav btn will be active, then enter, so not enter it, and then div class slider bg dot nav btn, and then div. Okay, what you can do, copy it, 2 3 4, okay, paste it like that, and now attach it like 1 2 3, okay, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, okay, now perfect. Now what we can do, enter press, and then enter press. Here we define div, then in the div class will be home social, then a, then href hashtag class home social slash icon, then I, then class ri slash facebook slash fill. Then copy it and then paste, and then here we write like ri Instagram, and then ri Twitter. And when you do it like that, enter press like that, and now our this section has been ended. Okay, so from here what we can do now, whenever this section has been ended, we define a gallery banner. But first of all, let me show you, till here we have built it. Here you can see it. Till here we have built it very successfully, as here you can see it. Our home page. Okay. Now let's come on it here and let's make a gallery page. To gallery page, you first of all write like section, class will be gallery section, and then div class will be gallery, so container will be great, and then enter, and then video class will be video slide, lyrics will be assets video, then slash width, then slash width mp4, and then here we write like okay, what first of all what we can do, we come here downloads and the source code in the description. Okay, here's my video folder, copy it and then paste it. Now my video folder has been also become, so first of all we write like assets, then video, and then video we write like vid1 mp4, and then autoplay muted should be loop. And now what we can do here, then video, and the video we define like class will be video slide, and then saying I'm giving assets should be video be with 4.mp4, and here we define like active. Now here we write like autoplay should be muted loop, and now copy this, paste. So here you write like 3 2 5, enter. Then now we define here about section, class will be about section, id will be about div class will be about container will be grid, so grid, then enter. Then div will be a class be about group, and then enter, then write image direct assets img about.png, then alt then class will be about IMG, then div, then class will be about card, then h3 class about card title, and card C will be in smaller, and then here we write like 2.500 and plus, then P class will be about card slash description, and then here we write like super charges placed along popular routes. Okay, and then we there write like div class will be about data, sorry, and then enter, and then h2 class will be section title, and then about will be also be title. Then a we define like machines with br tag, then br tag, then future technology, and then p tag. In the p tag you define class will be about description, and then write a description like see the future with high performance electric cars produced by renowned brands dot and then you write here they feature futuristic builds and designs with new and innovative platform that last a long time, and dot. And now when you write it, enter, press, then enter, then you write here href hashtag class button, and the buttons will be by the name of no more. Now our about section has been also be easily built it. So now we define here our popular section. Now in the popular festival we define section, class will be popular, a popular section, and then IDs will be also be popular. Now when we do it, so now let me tell you what you can do. Enter, press, then h2 class will be section title, then here we write like choose your electric car, then br tag, and then here you write like off for brand, enter, then div class popular container, then container should be swiper, and then enter, press, and then div class will be swiper, will be okay wrapper, and then enter, then you write like article, and in the article you write here the class will be popular card swiper slide. In the swiper slide what you can do, you write like slash and then enter, press. And when your work is done here till here you write here div, then class will be shape x, then shape smaller, And then what you can do here, so here you define like h1, and the class will be popular, so will be it title, and then here you write like for, and then h3 you define a class popular subtitle, and here you write like turbo 5. Then image, select should be assets, yes, sorry, img, and img you write like popular 1.png, then alt, and then class popular img, and then you define here popular data div class popular data popular, and here you write like div class popular data slash group, and then here you write like enter press, and then here you write like I class ri slash dashboard will be slash 2 slash line. And now when you do it like that, so what you can do here now, you write like 3.7 seconds, and then enter, then div class popular data group, you write like I class ri slash exchange slash funds slash line funds, okay, and here you write like 356 kilometer per hour, and then here you write like div again, then class will be popular cooler data group, and here what you can do here, enter press, and here you write like in the I class ri slash charging slash pile slash z slash line electric, and then here you write like price h3 class will be popular price will be $175.000, and then here we define a button class will be button popular button, and then enter press, and then I class ri slash shopping slash back slash z slash line, sorry, slash back slash 2 slash line. And now we write this type of code, and when we write this type of code, now let me show you what we can do now. Here when we write it now, let me tell you what we can do. First of all, article popular swiper, okay, copy from here till here. When you copy it from here till here, so what you can do, paste it, and then what you can do here, you write here pause, change the turbo 5, write here icon, and then image the popular 2, okay, and all thing will be same, only the price will be changed, okay, price will be I'm giving 114.99. now what you can do, enter, then paste it one more time, and when you paste it, so what you can do here, you write here like erase the turbo 5, write here turbo 5, so turbo S cross. And then what you can do here, you write like popular 3, and then here you write like only change the budget, and budget should be 150. And then enter, then one more time paste it, and then we erase the ports here. Sorry, here we write like Boxster 780, and then here we write like popular 4, and then not only the price will be changed by the 25. Okay, and then enter, then paste it, and then here we write like uh, Simon Simon, and then here we write like popular 5. And then what we can do, we only change the here we only change the price, and then what we can do here, all things has been done, then enter press, and then enter press, and we write only div, class will be swiper pagination. Now when we do it, here we write like features. Now in the feature we write like section, class will be features section, and then enter, then h2 class will be section title, and then we write like more features here, and then enter, here we define a div, class will be features container, and containers will be grid. And then here what we can do here, we define a div, class will be features group. And then when we define it, so now let me tell you what we can do, enterprise, and then we define image, seric assets img, and then features.png, alt, and then class will be features img, and then what we can do here, enterprise, here we define a div class features card features card /1. Here we define a h2 class features, and then we define right here card will be title, and here we define like 800 and v, and then when we write it like features underscore card title, so now here we define a p element, means paragraph element, and then here we define a class, and the class will be card / description, and the description should be turbo, then br tag, and then charge. Perfect. And then do the same thing at all, copy it, and then paste, and then enter press. You only what we can do, paste 3. Okay, now remove here, write 2, and then here what you can do, write 350, and then remove it turbo, write here kilometer, and write here range, and then write here card 3, and then here you write like 480, and write here kilometer, and remove the charging, write here travel. Now enter. Here you write like image, serix will be asset, img map.svg, then alt will be class features underscore map. Now from here we define a featured For that we define a first of all section class, we feature it section, and then id will be featured, enter, and then define h2. In the h2 you define class will be section title, and then right here featured luxury cars, and then right here div, right class, and then here you write like featured underscore container will be container, enter press, then write ul. In the ul define a class by the name of featured filters, enter, then li. In li define a button, and the button class will be featured item will be active slash featured, and then right here data filter equals to all, and then right here span will be all, and then what you can do here, here you will be copy it, and then here you will be paste it, and then what you can do here, you remove the data filter, right here dot Tesla, and then remove it from here, and then enter press, then img will be Seric assets img logo 3.png, and then on. Here you will be erase it like this, and then let's see if our logo has been came or not. Let's see it, save it, and then run it. Okay, the logo has been not come. Let me see why it is not coming. Here we write like logo 3.png. Okay, in img we say logo 3.png. Now it has been came. Save it and run it. So it has been come. Here you can see it. Then what you can do, same do the same thing. Copy it and then paste it. Right here logo 2. In the data filter you write like .rd. So then what you can do here, again enter, paste it, and then logo 2. In the up section we define like 3. Okay, here we define like 3. Here we define like 2. And then down here we define like logo 1. Okay, logo 3, then logo 2, and then logo 1 or D, then here you are like ports. Okay, save it and run it. So here again logo has been come. So now when it has been came, so now let me tell you what you can do. Enter press, right here div class featured content grade article class article class featured cars will be mixed Tesla, then enter, then div, then class will be shape underscore smaller, and then enter press. Here you write like h1 class featured title, and then here you write like here Tesla, then enter press, then h3. In the h3 define class featured subtitle, and here you define like model X, enter press, and then here you define like img Seric assets img should be featured 1.png, and then alt, then class will be featured img Here we define like h3 class will be featured price, and then here you write like the price will be in the dollar. Here you write like price by like 98 comma 900. Okay, then what you can do, you write here button. In the button define a class will be button will be featured underscore button. Then what you can do here, then interpret, then define a I. In the I define a class will be ri slash shopping slash bag slash to slash line. Then when you do it like that, so now let me tell you what you can do now. Copy it till here, till article, and then paste it. And when you paste it, write here Tesla Model 3, erase the picture, write here feature it 2, and then 45. Now, what we can do now, paste it like that. Then we write here OD, and then here we write like OD, then here we define like e-tron. Then here when we define OD e-tron, then here we define like feature it 3, and then here we write like 175. And when you do like that, again say do the same thing, paste the here, paste here, and what you can do, erase the Tesla, write here Porsche, okay, and here you write like the models will be Boxster, Boxster 987, and then define here feature it 4, and then here you define like price will be 126, and then come down till article, and then what you can do, paste it one more time, and then remove the Tesla, write here Porsche, and then write erase it and write here Panamera, and then write here feature it 5, and then write here $175. And now when you do like this, so what you can do, enter press. Now we define a offer. In the offer we define a section, and the class will be offer section. Div class will be offer container, and then here we define like container grid, and then when we do like that, we define an image assets, image series will be assets img offer bg.png, then alt, and then class will be offer underscore bg, then div class offer should be data, then enter, then h2 should be class will be section, untitled offer title, and then when we do like that, here we write like do you want to receive, then br tag, then write here special offers, and then this, sorry, question mark. Then what you can do here, enter press, write here p, in the p class offers will be, we write here description, then write here in the p tag, be the first to receive all the information about our products and new cars by email by subscribing to our mailing list. Now, when we do it like that, then we write here A, then A we write like href hashtag, then class should be button, and then we write like subscribe now. Then image steric assets img offer dot png, and then alt class should be offer underscore img, enter, and then here we enter press, save it and run it. So here you can see till here our work is done. Also now let's come our CSS code, and let's start to write a CSS code because we already write our all HTML code. So let's start to write our CSS code. So let's start CSS code. So let's start. So now first of all we started our style.css. So for here we write here box sizing first of all, and it will be border box, and then here we define a padding should be 0 and margin should be also be 0. Then HTML scroll behavior should be smooth. Then body should be font family should be var should be / body / font. Then enter press, and then right here font size var / normal font / size. And now when we do it like that, enter press, then right here background color var / body / color, and then color should be var / text / color. So now what we can do here, we will press enter, and the source code of the code is in the description. I am doing one thing only. I am go here and I am copying the colors, okay, and I am pasting the colors. So the color has been come, so but it giving the error. Okay, here we from here till here, copy it and then paste it. Now it has not given me the error. So now when we do like that, so we write here h1 comma h2 comma then h3, and then here we define like color should be var / title color, and then font weight var / font semi bold. Then UL, in the UL we define like list style should be none. In the A, text decoration should be none, enter. And then what we can do here, define a img max width 100%, and the height will be auto, and then dot container should be max container max width 1024 pixels, and then margin right 1.5 rem, margin left should be also be 1.5 rem, dot grid should be display should be grid, and then gap 1.5 rem, enter. Then dot section, here we define like padding 4.5 rem to rem, and then here we define like dot section title, and then here we define font size to be var / h2 font size. Then here we write like text align should be center, margin bottom 2.5 rem, dot main should be overflow hidden, dot shape X should be background color, HSLA should be 219, and then 33%, and then 32%, and then 0.5. And then when you can do right filter, and in the filter right here like blur, and the blur should be, let me tell you, blur should be 112 pixels, and then border radius should be a 50%, and then dot shape should be big, and then we write like width 400 pixels, and the height should be also be 400 pixels. Then dot shape again, right here is small, width 300 pixels, height 300 pixels. Then dot shape should be smaller, like width 100 pixels, height 100 pixels. Then filter should be blur 64 pixels. Enter. Then header and navbar we define it. First of all, in the header we define like width 100%, background color transparent, position fixed, and then top 0, then left will be 0, and then z index bar / z fixed, and then dot nav height var / header height, display flex, and then justify content will be space between, align item center, dot nav logo comma, then dot nav toggle. Here we define like color bar / title color. Display should be inline flex. Then dot nav will be logo, and then align items should be centered, and then column gap should be 0.5 rem. Point not okay, point. Then font weight var / font / medium. Transition should be 0.3 seconds. Dot nav should be logo. Here we define enterprise. Here you write like font size. Font size should be 1.25 rem. Dot nav logo should be hover. Color var should be / first color. Dot nav toggle, font size 1.25 rem. Then cursor should be pointer, and then what we can do, we write like @media screen and max width 767 pixels. Dot nav menu should be position should be fixed, and then background color should be HSLA should be 0, then 0% again, comma, then 100%, and then 0.1. Top should be 0, then right should be minus 100%, and then width should be also be 100%, height should be also be 100%, and then backdrop, then backdrop filter should be blur 96 pixels, and then transition should be 0.3 seconds. Dot nav list, here we write display flags, flag direction column, and then text align should be center, row gap should be 3 rem, and then we write here padding top should be 9 rem, Then dot nav link again. Here we write like text transform uppercase, and then color should be var slash title color. Here we define font size slash var slash s2 font size, and then font weight var slash font medium. Then transition should be 0.3 seconds, and then nav dot nav link nav link. Here we define like hover. In the hover I am giving him to be slash first color. Then dot nav close, and then here we define like font size 2 rem. Column rule I am giving him should be var slash white color. Position should be absolute. Then top 1 rem, then right 1 rem. Cursor should be pointer. Dot show slash menu. Show slash menu should be right, should be 0. And then dot scroll slash header should be border radius. I'm giving him should be 0 0 1 rem, should be also be 1 rem. And then what we can do here, we write like background color var slash body color. Then box shadow I'm giving 0 2 pixels 4 pixels, and then HSLA should be 0, and then 0% like this. And then here you write like 1%, and then also we write here 1. Now dot active link, here you write like dot active link like color var slash first color. Then dot home position will be relative, overflow hidden, and then display flex direction column. Dot home container I'm giving him should be position should be relative. Then padding top should be 8 rem, and then row cap should be 1 rem. Dot home data text align should be centered. Sorry, home data, not home data. Okay, so now we write home title, and then here we define like font size var h1 font size, margin bottom 1 rem. And then what we can do here, we write here dot home subtitle. Here we define font size var h3 font size. And then what we can do here, we define here margin bottom should be 0.25 rem. Then dot home size font size var slash small font size, font weight 400, and then color should be I'm giving him var should be slash text color, and then display should be inline flex, and then here we define like align item should be centered. Then column gap should be 0.25 rem. Then dot home, here you write like else should be I, color should be var slash first color. Dot home img width should be 200 pixels. Justify self should be centered. Dot home should be car, and here you write like display flex should be justify content should be centered, and then here we write like align item should be centered, and then here you write like column cap should be 4 rem, and then margin bottom should be 2 rem, and then dot home car slash name, font size 625 rem, and then font weight 400, then color should be var slash text color light, then dot home data text align should be center. Then what we can do here, we write like dot home car slash number, font size var h2 font size, and then font weight var slash font medium, margin bottom 0.25 rem, then dot home car slash icon, background color var slash container color, border radius should be 50%, padding should be 100, padding should be 0.376 rem, display should be inline flags, and justify content should be center, align item should be center, font size 0.18875 rem, margin bottom 0.75 rem, dot home button. Here you write like index should be 888, and then position should be relative, border should be 2 pixels, solid should be HSL 158, and then 89, and then 30. Then now what we can do here, we write here width should be 70 pixels, height should be also be 70 pixels, and then border radius 50%, and then display flags, align items center, then justify content should be also be center, justify self should be also be center, then cursor should be pointer, font size here I am giving var slash small font size, and then color should be var slash white color, and then font weight var slash font medium, dot home button should be before content, then border 2 pixel solid HSL 158, then 98, and then 43. Enter, then width 90 pixels, width width 90 pixels, height 90 pixels, position absolute, border radius should be 50%. Then here we writing like box shadow should be 12 pixels, HSL 158, then 98%, and then 43%. Then here we write like transition should be 0.5 seconds or 0.3 seconds, and then animation button 3 seconds, infinite, enter. Then here we write like dot home social, here we write like z index 800, position absolute, and then right 50 pixels, and then top 25 rem, display flex, gap should be 1 rem, then flex direction should be column, then transition should be 0.3 seconds, easy. Then dot home, social slash icon, color hashtag FFF, then font size 1.4 em, and then visibility should be hidden, and then it is important, like that. And here you remove this O. Now right here dot home, social icon hover, color should be var slash first color. So now till here our work is done. Now we come over with JavaScript. Till here we all write our all CSS code. So now let's come on a JavaScript, and now let's add some JavaScript code, and let's write some little bit JavaScript code. So let's get started and let's write some JavaScript code. So let's get started. So let's start to write our JavaScript code. So the JavaScript code are very little bit, okay. Okay, there are very few code of JavaScript, but anyways, let's start and write our all JavaScript code. So let's start to write it. So now let's start. First of all, what we can do, we write here const and then nav, then menu, then equals to document dot get element by id, then single comma, then nav slash menu, and then here we define like nav toggle equals to document got dot get element by id, then here we write like nav slash toggle and then comma, and then nav close equals to document dot get element by id should be, here we are writing like nav slash close. Now that's it. So now what we can do, sorry comma, so now when we do like that, so what we can do in our HTML, where is our HTML file, this is our HTML file. In that file what we can do now, we change here like the name, like you write here your name or your channel name. I'm writing my channel name by the name of CodeWithPk, and then here we write this whole code, like here you can see like in this whole code we have written down. So now what we can do now, when we save it from here, okay, save it and run it, sorry okay, not run it like that. Now it has been coming like this, here you can see it. When you run it, so the animation is very beautiful, like it is coming like this, here you can see it. Why it is coming, the animation is looking like this, because we scroll, I give the JavaScript, using the JavaScript code we define like nav menu and nav toggle nav close, so that's why it is coming like this, here you can see it. Now first of all it's coming like next card logo, here you can see it, and when I hovering it, my logo, it is very beautiful, it is hovering, here you can see it. When my cursor is going on my logo, so the logo is hovering very beautifully, here you can see it in the blue color. And then when I am going when my cursor is going on my nav bar like home, about, supercars and feature it is also be hovering, okay, like this, here you can see it. The navbar is very beautifully built it. So then pick your best car, then here it's coming like pick your best car. Then first of all here Ferrari is coming like 4858, then relentless force, and the picture of the Ferrari is coming. Then here it's coming like the 0 kilometer, like this, here you can see it, the kilometer, and then the power and the logo of power and logo of kilometer, and the max speed logo is also becoming, here you can see it. It is telling the Ferrari max speed, like the Ferrari max speed is 325 kilometer per hour. And then in the right side there is the logos coming of the Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. And when my cursor is going there, it is very beautifully hovering, but there is not any transition, okay, that's why it is not hovering like this, okay. But when I run it, so let's see the transition, how it is coming like that, here you can see it. Now let's come down. So there is one button of the start is coming like here, you can see it. And when you are clicking start, we are come on the top of the page. Here you can see it. Now you click it from here. So then pick your best car Ferrari 458. Then click, you also click be here, and then click also here, and then you will also be click here. Now, about section, click on the about section, you will be directly go on your about section. In the about section, there is the one image and there is coming like machines with future technology. And there is the one paragraph of the paragraph is coming, and then the down, here is one button of coming of the no more, and when my cursor is going there, it is hovering very beautifully as in the dark blue color. Here you can see it, and there's one image here, you can see it, of the car engine, means like car interior, sorry, car. Here is one image of the car interior, and here is written like 2500 superchargers placed along popular routes. And the paragraph is written like the see the future with high performance electric cars produced by renowned brands. They feature a futurist builds and designed with new and innovative platform that last long time. Then here is coming like choose your electric car of Porsche branch brand. Here you can see it. Here's the cars is coming of the Porsche brand. Here you can see it, and it is telling the kilometer per hour and its price also. Here you can see it. Like the Porsche Simon, it is a 3.7 second and 356 kilometer per hour, and it is a electric car, and its price is $128, $1,028 and 900. Okay, here you can see it, and it is moving like here. Here you can see it, and when you click it, you can come here, come here, come here, come here. Here you can see it, like that you can do it. Now let's come down. Here it's coming like when I click on the here, here it's coming like more features, and here the car picture is coming, and here it's like 8V turbo engine charging, then 350 kilometer range, and then 480 kilometer travel. It's telling me the more features of the parts. Here you can see it. Now here is the featured luxury car. There is one featured luxury car. So here you can see it. Like this, all featured luxury cars is coming like Tesla Model X. Then it is telling me the price like $98,000. Then it's telling me the Tesla Model 3 prices $45,000. Then it is telling me the Audi e-tron GT price and 175 900 $175. Then $175,000, and then it telling me the for Porsche price Boxster 987, and picture is here of the Porsche Boxster 987. Its price is $126 million, and then Porsche Panamera, here's the image of that, and the price is $175 million. And when you click on the Tesla, so the all Tesla is coming here, you can see it. And when you click on the Audi, the all Audi is becoming like here. And when you click on the Porsche, so all Porsche is been coming like that. Here you can see it. Now here's client, did you want to receive the special offer? There is one banner, did you want to receive the special offers, and there's one title, and the subtitle is be the first to receive all information about our products and new car by emailing by subscribing to our mailing list. And there is one subscribe now button that is very beautifully, it is hovering, and when my cursor is going there, here you can see it. And now let's come down. So now here's coming like one contact one footer. Here you can see there is the logo coming of the cars like BMW, Lamborghini, Tesla, Audi, Porsche. Here you can see it, and when my cursor is going in that logo, this logo is converting into the white color. Here you can see it like that, it is converting into the white color. Here you can see it. Then there is one footer has been coming like next car and next car logo, our logo, and then there's coming the paragraph. We offer the best cars of the most recognized brand, then company like about car history shop. Then there is coming like information. Then follow us in Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and when we come up the there is very beautifully we have built it, and the in the background there is the one video has been he started. The video is in the background of the Ferrari. The video has been started. Here you can see the car is going on. Here you can see like that. This one we also put a one video. Okay, here you can see it. So it is your own choice. You put a video or your background. I put a video. Here you can see the video is started. Here you can see the red car like that. Here you can see the pause is coming, like here you can see the video I put. And now when I click onto the app, so in the app it is looking like this. Here you can see it. Now when I click it, so this type of a navbar has become, like you will click on the about supercar feature, but let me close it. Now in the app it is looking like this, and when I come down, so there is one start button, and then here's coming like this, and you will be also be click it like this. Okay, then what you can do now, let me tell you. Now let me tell you what you can do. It is looking like this, so you can see. So now for that, what you can do it, so come down, this one about us page. Here you can see there is one, the car engine picture is coming, and the machine with future technology, there is one heading, and the paragraph it, and the no more button, which is very beautifully hovering. Then there's one choose your electric cars of Porsche brand is coming like that. Here you can see it, and here it is telling the price like 1,001 for $114 million, then $150 million, $125 million, like this. Then there is coming like more features. Here you can see it. Then there's coming like the feature luxury. There's all the cars is coming. Here you can see it. When I click all, so in all the cars has become. So when I click I will only want a Tesla car, so the all Tesla cars has become. And when I say I only want Audi car, so the all Audi has become. And if I say I want a Porsche car, so the Porsche car has become. Then there is coming like, do you want to receive special offers? Here you can see this is like that is coming. And this banner is looking very beautiful, but it's not looking very beautiful in website. It's beautiful it is looking in the app. When I show you like that, it is looking like that, but when I convert it in the app, it is looking like this. Here you can see it. Now there's a logos coming of the brands of the cars, and when I'm clicking it, it is hovering. Here you can see when I'm clicking it. Okay, here you can see it. Now there is one footer. Here you can see it. Here is the logo, and when I click onto the logo, it is converted into the blue color. Here you can see it. But in the if you are on PC and when you are hovering this logo, so it is coming into the blue. But in the mobile, what you can do, it you will be click it, then it will be converted in the blue. Okay, let me show you. Here you can see it. And then when you click it about, so we will be directly go on to the about. If you say click on the supercars, so you only directly go on to the supercars. If you say feature it, so you directly go on to the feature it, like that. So now here you can see it. We built this amazing car website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoyed, so please like this video, share, and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to all the notification bell also. So now the little bit outro of this video I give you in the big screen. So now let me give you. Alright, that's a wrap. You are now built a responsive car showcase website from scratch using just HTML, CSS and JavaScript. I hope you are proud of what we created. I hope you learned something new along the way. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to more content like this, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also turn on notification bell so you don't miss any future coding video tutorials. And if you have any question, ideas or suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments below. I do love to hear from you. Thanks for watching Code with PK and happy coding. See you in the next video.